Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are fine. Today I'm going to show you that how to use Secued Exam Browser and how to provide yourself a final exam. And I'm going to show you that how to use mock test, and then I will show you the procedure of final exam, how to provide yourself at the final exam. For that I have downloaded Secured Exam Browser. You have to download it, and this file is referring the Secured Exam Browser. This is the original file. I am clicking on it. Yes, when you open this file will close all your application or all your browser, so be aware of this. I have click on yes, and here I have to enter my browser ID. Yes, I will enter my browser ID for the second mock test. Yes, verification success, and here it wants from me my date of birth. My password is date of birth, so I have to enter it. Yes, 2003 April 11. Yes, just click on confirm and sign in. Yes, you will directly go to the exam site. Yes, here just click on I confirm that details are correct. Yes, loading. Just wait for a while. Loading your test, please wait. Oh, yes, my internet is not. Yes, click on confirm. Yes, when you click on confirm, you will directly go to the exam site. Yes, it's a mock test. It's second mock test. When you go to the final test, you will be requested to show your face to the camera and show your original document, like your identity card or A4 size paper with yourself. Yes, my internet is a little bit slow, so it takes some time. So it related to your internet speed. If it is good, so the site will open quickly. Yes, loading your test. Yes, this is mock test questions. Verbal reasoning. Yes, here is questions. All questions I have solved. 40 questions are verbal, and quantitative questions are 65. Logical reasoning questions are 90. So you have to here is legends and filters. Not visited questions will be shown in white color, and not answered questions will be shown in red colors. Answered question will be shown on green, and marked question will be shown on red, and answered and marked question will be shown on blue color. So for that I have solved all the questions. So you have to go to every question, every section has a limit time, so you have to go to the every section and then click on next option, so your application will be submitted, and your test is done. Yes, when you complete all the questions, then click on the last questions, go to the last question, and then here will be shown submit option. Submit option will come after 75 minutes, but there is a little bit time is remaining. When it comes to 25, so here will the submit option here will be shown. So you have to just click on submit option and then submit it. Your file will be submitted to study in India. Your pragatii exam is done. Thanks for watching, and hope if you like this video, just leave your comment and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.